In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a domain for sale in your GoDaddy domain portfolio. If you already own a domain and you're ready to put it on the market, GoDaddy makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your domain portfolio, choose the domain you want to sell, and set up the type of sale that works best for you. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the area where all of your registered domains are organized, so it's the main place you'll manage ownership, settings, and sales options. Once you're inside, take a moment to find the specific domain you want to list. If you have a large portfolio, it may help to scan carefully so you select the correct one before moving forward. Next, click the checkbox next to that domain. This tells GoDaddy which domain you want to manage. After selecting it, look for the Sell option, then choose List for Sale. This opens the sales setup flow for that domain and takes you to the page where you can define how you want buyers to purchase it. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose your pricing approach. You can set a buy now price if you want to offer the domain at a fixed amount, which is usually the best option if you already know the exact price you're willing to accept. This can make the purchase process easier and faster for buyers because there's no negotiation required. Depending on the options available, you may also be able to set an auction floor. This is the minimum acceptable price for bidding and is useful if you'd prefer to let the market determine the final sale value while still protecting yourself from low offers. Choose the option that fits your selling strategy and enter your pricing carefully, since this will directly affect how your listing appears to potential buyers. Once your pricing is in place, review the agreement shown on screen. This typically includes the terms for listing and selling through GoDaddy, so it's a good idea to read through it before you continue. When you're ready, confirm the agreement to complete the listing setup. After that, your domain should be listed for sale. As a final tip, double check the details before finishing, especially the selected domain and the price, to avoid mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully listed your domain for sale through your GoDaddy domain portfolio.